Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question, a cubic equation t square minus t cube is equal to 12 and we need to find out the value of t, right? So first of all I will rearrange this equation. I will write t cube first plus t square, when there is no sign that means it is positive, is equal to 12, right? Now, because I want these things in positive sign, so what will I do? I will take everything on the right hand side. So it will become t cube minus t square plus 12 is equal to 0. So now we have this equation and we need to find out the value of t. Whenever we have cubic equation, that means t will have three values, and first value we try to find out by hit and trial method. What that method is, that in left hand side, what is left hand side? T cube minus t square plus 12. I will try to substitute t is equal to 1 or minus 1 or 2 or minus 2, and then I will solve further. Okay, first of all I will try to substitute. Whenever we will get 0, that means that particular value is the root of this equation, right? So suppose I put, let t is equal to 1. Okay, when I put t is equal to 1, I get 1 cube minus 1 square plus 12. So 1 minus 1 plus 12. This is not equal to 0. So that means t is equal to 1 is not root, right? Now I will try to put, if similarly if I put minus 1 as well, that will also be not, that will also not be root of this equation. Why? Because then as well we will not get 0. Now I try to put t is equal to 2. Okay. So we get 2 cube minus 2 square plus 12, right? What is 2 cube? 2 cube is 8 minus 4 plus 12. Okay, so 8 minus 4 is what? 4 plus 12. This is also not 0. Now I will put t is equal to minus 2. We get minus 2 raised to power 3 minus minus 2 square plus 12, right? What is minus 2 raised to power 3? It is minus 8. This is minus 4 plus 12, right? So we got minus 12 plus 12, and which is equal to 0. So that means t equal to minus 2 is root of this equation, right? Whatever value gives you 0 is the root of that equation. And what is the equation? Equation is t cube minus t square plus 12, right? T cube minus t square plus 12. Now we need to find other two roots because it is a cubic equation. So you will get three values. How do we find other two roots? For finding other two roots, what do? We divide this t cube minus t square plus 12 with t plus 2. If you bring this 2 here, it will become t plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will divide this thing with t plus 2, and then whatever we will get a quadratic equation, and then we will solve that quadratic equation to get our answers. Okay. So here, what should I multiply t with to get t cube? We just see, first thing we need to remember in this division, that it should be arranged according to the highest degree. So it is properly arranged now. Why? Because t cube is the highest degree, highest power, then t square, and then 12. Here as well, t highest power is 1, so degree is 1, and then 2, right? So I will multiply t with t square. We just need to see this thing first. Now I will multiply t with t square. I will write it here. I will get t cube, right? Then this 2 will also be multiplied with t square. So it will become plus 2t square, right? Now we will subtract it. This is how we do normal division as well. We subtract this term. This will become negative, this will become negative, because whenever we subtract, the terms become negative, and we will cancel out this. Now we have minus 3t square. Minus t square minus 2t square will become minus 3t square plus 12. Now, what should I multiply this t with to get minus 3t square? If I multiply this t with minus 3t, what will I get? Minus 3t square, right? Now I will have to multiply this 2 with minus 3t, but I will not write it here. I will write it somewhere here. I will get minus 6t. Now we will change the sign. This will become positive, this will become positive. We will cancel out this, and now we will write again according to degree only. It will become 6t plus 12. Now, what should I multiply this t with to get 6t? Okay, so I will multiply with 6. Then I will get 6t, right? Then this 2 will also multiply with 6. I will get 12. Again subtracting, we got 0. So what did we get? What is our answer? Our answer in the quadratic equation is t square plus minus 3t plus 6. Minus 3t plus 6, right? Here, now we need to solve this quadratic equation to get other two roots. And suppose we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What are the roots of this equation? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? So here a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 6, right? So our solution t will be minus of minus 3 will become plus 3. Plus minus b square means minus 3 square, and minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 times a times 6 by 2a, right? 3 plus minus 9 minus 24 by 2, right, is equal to 3 plus minus, this is minus, if you subtract this, you will get minus 15 by 2. And minus 15 is not real, it's imaginary, because you will get iota here. Okay, under root of minus 1 is an imaginary number. So we will not consider imaginary roots, we will consider just real root. And what is one real root? That real root was minus 2 only. So this equation has one real solution, and that is equal to t is equal to minus 2. Okay. So for more such questions, you can visit my channel. I have many questions for Maths Olympiad and concepts and short tricks. Please visit my channel and share your reviews in comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.